12 rounds of boxing for the undisputed Super Bantamweight Championship of the World. Fighting out of the blue corner, wearing black trunks with gold trim, hailing from Ormoc City, Leyte in the Philippines. Here is the three-weight division world champion, introducing John Riel Casimero. Gentlemen, please welcome the four-division world champion, boxing's pride of Japan, the current hard-hitting, undefeated, reigning and defending, undisputed Super Bantamweight champion of the world, introducing Naoya, the Monster.
Lalong umiinit ang usapin sa iba't ibang social media platform, ang inaasam ng karamihan lalong-lalo na ang ating pambato na si former 3 World Division Champion Cuadro Alas Angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero, na matuloy na ang labanan Casimero vs Naoya Inoue. Ito ay dahil binalita mismo ng Boxing News Online na dahil umano sa unang bahagi ng taon 2027 mangyayari ang blockbuster fight sa pagitan ni Naoya Inoue vs Bam Rodriguez. Ngunit bago magtapos ang taon kasalukuyan ay baka magkaroon muna ng laban si Naoya Inoue ng title defense fight. Ayon sa Boxing Online, as a result before Naoya Inoue can faces Rodriguez in early 2027, the undisputed champion may target another defense of his super bantamweight undisputed title in either September or October. At present John Riel Casimero could be under consideration for that bout while fellow Filipino Carl James Martin remains the WBO mandatory challenger. Nag-post na din ang Great Chef Boxing na Naoya Inoue vs John Riel Casimero. Habang ang manager ni Naoya Inoue ay kinumpirma sa Yahoo Japan na tuloy na ang laban ni Naoya Inoue vs Bam Rodriguez. Kaya sa ngayon ay muling nabigyan ng pag-asa ang labanan Naoya Inoue vs John Riel Casimero na matuloy. Dalawang malalakas na mandirigma sa taon kasalukuyan. Naoya Inoue vs John Riel Casimero. Ang isang magagaling na mandirigma ay may kanya-kanyang talento at lakas sa ibabaw ng boxing ring. Ang pinakamalakas ng bansang Japan na si Naoya Inoue ay masusubukan, kontra sa lakas ng bansang Pilipinas na si John Riel Casimero. Pagkatapos manalo sa Super Series fight ay naghahanda na itong si Naoya Inoue para lumaban sa bansang Amerika. Ang training sa ilalim ng kanyang ama ay mas lalong naging bihasa sa pagigipaglaban si Naoya Inoue at mas lalo pa itong lumalakas ang mga suntok.
Train with him, much of him with him. That guy, yeah, he knocks him out. It's a freak of nature, isn't he?
You gotta get up and go get it.
It's certainly a risky fight for the Japanese star, especially coming off an orbital injury. But with credit to his throwback style and willingness to face the best, a victory against the Filipino this year would see him put a serious dent in the pound-for-pound rankings.
And that is devastating once again from Naoya Inoue. I'm fearless.
Lahat ng laban ni Naoya Inoue ay tinuturing niyang napakadelikado, gusto niyang patunayan sa lahat na siya ang nag-iisang halimaw sa Super Bantamweight Division. Ngunit may gustong patunayan ang mandirigma ng bansang Pilipinas na isa rin siyang halimaw pagdating sa ibabaw ng boxing ring, tinuturing siyang isang napakadelikadong boksingero na may taglay na lakas ng kamao, siya ay si former 3 World Division Champion Cuadro Alas Angas ng Pinas John Riel Casimero.
Casimero is no joke. He's a real killer and he can punch and he's a ruthless, spiteful fighter.
Despite being nicknamed Cuadro Alas, which translates to 4 aces, Casimero plans to leave nothing down to luck come fight night.
I'm very excited this fight and Inoue, see you and having fight.
Continuing a 5-fight knockout streak and hoping to turn the new influx of fans from Inoue's fan-friendly style into his own.
Casimero is ready. Nobody can stop him. Nobody can beat him.
Where many expected Donaire to be a pushover for Naoya, it drew a Fight of the Year terror.
They go toe-to-toe to the final bells.
And where many expected Tete to be too slick and too technical for John Riel, he simply blew him out of the water.
Casimero needs to pick his punches and he can't find the feet.
Donaire rewound the clock to put in a career-best performance, and whilst it still wasn't enough to beat the monster, it offers his countrymen something to build on.
I planned how to knock him out.
The fight itself will invite a red-hot pace. Both men have spectacular footwork, with Casimiro's in-and-out movement being some of the best in the division. The one thing the Filipino can be guilty of is sometimes waiting for the perfect shot to present itself, something he cannot afford to do. The story of the matchup will be how well both men take and distribute each other's power. Inoue's speed and boxing could create openings for him to apply pressure, and if he gets his man on the back foot, he is probably the most complete finisher in the sport.
Right hand, left hand, Abdul sags into the ropes again. The referee has jumped in and waved this off.
Though you'd be crazy, even with his track record, to think it's a walk in the park for the Japanese star. After all, we saw him drawn into a firefight in November, one that swung the fight wide open. Should the same take place at the Mandalay Bay, anything could happen.
Counter right hand. Inoue rock to his boots.
With two fantastic punchers, the odds certainly don't favor those ringside hearing the final bell. Though with two men who chose legacy over comfort, the real winners will be the fans.
終わる瞬間、やっぱり最高だったなと思ったし。
And with names like Neri and Ubali lying in wait, we can expect an undisputed bantamweight collision in the not-too-distant future.
I think we can knock him out. Bob Arum, make that fight.
Naoya Inoue looks on course to become a true boxing great and has all the tools and natural ability to do so.
I think as soon as Nui lands, it's game over.
However, John Riel Casimiro has been described as the best boxing champ you've never heard of, something that could certainly change in the coming months.
Aparkatta başlayan ve yumruk kombinasyonu